Hey guys, this is Jesse, this is Andrew Davenport from Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Forest River. It's the new Work and Play, the 25 WGB. If you look, it's got a new front end on it. They're completely redesigned. This one has the nicer wheels. It's got the generator. Up front now they got the new Smart Jack, which you can set this, can adjust, makes it easy, no more of having to crank it. Very nice. Got the double panks up front. If we come around here on the side, there's a light in here, there's an LED little light strip in there. Redesigned awnings. And they've gone to this new solid step, most going to the heavy duty step here. This one's got the double beds in the back with the ramp patio, which use a key outside. It's got the ramps outside, very easy. They've also gone to all the way down the side to protect the sides. Comes with their nice chairs. This one has the fan with the rain sensor and the air conditioning through the whole top. Lots of cabinets. It has the convection. Nicer fridge. Put your TV up here so you can actually see it. Big old boom speaker. Then we can move back in here. You can walk through the bathroom. Another fan up above with the air conditioning. It's got the bigger shower. Real toilet. Come back here in the bedroom. It's got the walk around bed. You got ports to plug in on both sides, plug your stuff in. Lots of storage. Lots of cabinets. If you want, you can put a TV over here on this wall. And if you got any other questions, the number's on the screen there. You can call me on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.